how to remove a bookmark on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove a bookmark on Google Chrome mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and now click this star and as you see here you can edit your bookmark. You can change the name or the folder or the URL, and if you want to delete the bookmark just click here this icon, and as you see the bookmark has been deleted. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.